Good morning everyone. Standard 6 Mathematics. Chapter number 10 Measures. The first question, fill in the blanks so as make out the following statement true. The first, understand main formulas this chapter. Sum of length of all the side of polygon is dash, that means this one called perimeter. And perimeter of rectangular formula 2 into length plus breadth. And the perimeter of square 4 into length of a side. Then a polygon in which all the side and all angles are equal is called regular polygon. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle formula 3 into length of a side. The perimeter of square of a side 4 semi, that means 16 semi. How? Because formula 4 into length, 4 into 4, 4 for the 16 semi. The perimeter of regular pentagon is 5 into length of a side. The perimeter of regular hexagon 6 into length of a side. The perimeter of regular octagon, that means 8 into length of a side. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its depth, that means area. Area of a square formula length into length, and area of rectangular is length into breadth. Now question number 6. The length of a rectangular table top is 3 meter and 25 semi and its breadth 50 semi. The find is the perimeter of tabletop. The perimeter of rectangular formula 2 into length plus breadth. So here length 3 meter 25 semi and breadth here 2 meter and 50 semi. So 2 into length, right, and width, and then this 2 plus doing to 5 meter 75 and then multiplication 2, that means 11 meter and 50 semi. Then question number 7. Find the expense of fancy a square plot of a side 20 meter and 15 semi at the rate of rupees 8 per meter. The perimeter of square plot is formula 2 into length, to 2 into 20 meter and 15 semi, that means multiplication doing then 82 meter. And here say the rate of rupees 8 per meter. To 1 meter is equal to rupees 8. The 82 meter is equal to how many? So cross multiplication 82 into 8, that means rupees 656. Now question number 8. Find a expense of fancy a rectangular plot of length 24 meter 25 semi and breadth 15 meter 25 semi at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. The perimeter of a rectangular plot, that means 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length here how many? 24 meter 25 semi and breadth 18 meter 25 semi, then plus doing to 42 meter 50 semi multiplication 2, that means 85 meter. And here's a rate of rupees 12 per meter. The 1 meter is equal to rupees 12. The 85 meter how many? The cross multiplication 85 into 12, that means rupees 1020. Now question number 9. Two sides of a triangular plot of land are of length 20 meter and 25 semi and 23 meter 75 semi. If the perimeter of the plot of 78 meter 25 semi, then find the length of the third side of the plot. So we know the perimeter of triangular, that means first side plus second side plus third side. And perimeter here giving, the first side here give 28 meter 25 semi and second 23 and 75. To find the third. So here total perimeter, the first these two total, that means 52 meter and 78 meter and 25 semi minus 52 meter. So we the third side, that means answer 26 meter and 25 semi. Now question number 10. The area of a rectangular plot. Garden is 15,000 square meter. If the length of the garden is 50 meter, to find the breadth. The area of rectangular length into breadth. Here area give 1500 square meter and length give 50 meter. Find the breadth. The first length into breadth. So here multiplication. So here what come? Division. So here 0 0 cut and 5 3s are 15. So answer breadth is equal to 30 meter. And now we start question number 2. Complete the following statement. The selected the color alternative. The perimeter of square of side 6 semi. The perimeter 4 into length. The 4 6 are 24 semi. The perimeter of rectangular length 5 meter and breadth 4 meter. So 5 plus 4 9 and 9 2s are 18 semi. The perimeter of equilateral triangular 10 semi is equal to dash. So 3 into 10, that means 30. The perimeter of rectangular pentagon side 5 6 are 30. The area of square side area length into length, 12 into 12, that means 144 semi square semi. The area of rectangular of length 10 semi and breadth 6 semi. The area of rectangular formula length into breadth. So 10 into 6, 60 square semi. The perimeter of square where area is 81 is equal to dash. The perimeter of square whose area is 81 is 36. The area of rectangle square whose perimeter is 32 is dash the 64 double. For fencing a rectangular find, one must who its dash, that means perimeter. Today classes we are doing only here. Next classes we doing half of this chapter. Okay.